Wireless keyboards empower productivity, but connectivity issues can be frustrating. Start by checking the receiver in your computer's USB port and switch it with another to rule out port issues. Replace or recharge the keyboard batteries, ensuring they are correctly placed. If keys remain non-responsive, use compressed air to clear debris that may be lodged beneath them. For persistent issues, consider unpairing and reconnecting via Bluetooth settings, ensuring up-to-date software. Mastering these steps not only resolves problems, but also future-proofs your keyboard against common disruptions, saving both time and money while boosting repair confidence.